So recent deals in DFW have been challenging to raise equity, to say the least. So we're seeing a lot more requests for pref equity. James, what are we seeing as far as terms with pref equity these days?
Yeah, I mean, so we're just leaving a property right now where, they bought the deal in 2020, just did a Fannie loan on it, and the rates were so low, let's say 3%, 3.5%, that they could pretty much, get enough leverage without just using common equity. So Fannie Mae loan with common equity or LP equity. And then this deal that we're at right now across the street, this was bought in really 2021, and that's when there was plenty of bridge lending. So the bridge lending, that was really 75% money,
and also plenty of investors, right?
Yeah, plenty of investors. So 75% loan to cost, or 75% of purchase, 100% of the rehab. And so you didn't really need any pref equity. But right now in today's market, what we're seeing is if Fannie and Freddie are giving you 50%, 55% leverage, and then your common equities maybe giving you another 15 to 20%, that's already, that only gets you to 80%. So you can't close with only 80% of the money. So pref equities coming in, and they're really giving you that extra 15, 20% of the capital stack. And they might have a current pay rate at maybe 5 to 6%, and then we'll go up and get the remaining maybe 6 or 7%. So their total return is going to be capped at probably 14 to 15% overall, but it'll allow you to buy some of these deals right now with maybe a Fannie or Freddie loan, and then put the pref equity on top.